Just when the world was cheering for peace in Gaza, a shocking twist unfolded in the Middle East. As United States President Mr. Donald Trump announced a historic ceasefire in Gaza, Iran-backed Houthi rebels in Yemen, they decided to make their presence felt. Drones loaded with explosives were launched towards Israel, with one coming dangerously close to the Egyptian border. Luckily, the Israeli Air Force they acted fast, shooting down all the drones, but the incident it sent a clear message. Peace in the region is still fragile and can be challenged at any moment. The Houthis, known for their slogan calling for death to America, death to Israel, are positioning themselves as the lone defiant force in the Arab world. While most Arab nations like Egypt, Jordan, and the UAE they welcome Trump's Gaza ceasefire plan, Yemen's Houthis, they are choosing to act independently, showing that they won't follow the US-Israel peace roadmap. Experts say that this particular move highlights how the conflict isn't just about Gaza anymore, it's about regional influence and power struggle, with Yemen emerging as a key player in the Red Sea corridor. Since March, the Houthis have been ramping up attacks, launching over 90 ballistic missiles and dozens of drones towards Israel. Many have fallen short, but some kinda reached the strategic targets, creating fear and chaos. Israel, not taking any chances, has already retaliated multiple times, striking Houthi position nearly 1,800 kilometers away in Yemen. Can you imagine that? Now, this back and forth shows just how far the conflict has spread, turning the Red Sea and southern Israel into a high alert zone. Now, analysts say that this incident is more than just a military attack, it's a warning. The Houthis want to remind everybody that they are the major player in the Middle East politics, capable of challenging United States-backed initiatives and influencing the regional conflict. With every intercepted drone and every siren blaring across Eliath, the world is reminded that peace is delicate, tensions are high, and one wrong move can ignite a broader crisis. In short, while the Gaza ceasefire brings hope, Yemen's Houthi are proving that the road to lasting peace is still full of twists, surprises, and high-stakes power plays.